What's up, guys? What's up? This is your boy. We could be the entertainer. Well, I want to solo Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all the things that you've been doing for this channel of it. I appreciate it. Thank you for buying the merch. Yo, guys, the love that you're showing me. Thank you for joining this channel. Your contributions are really making a huge difference in my life and time in this channel. That's why I managed to give you my all. When I wake up, I think of you. When before I sleep, I think of you. In the middle of the night, I think of you. Think of this channel. When I don't post in a single day, I'm not saying those who don't post every day there's a problem. But me and my people run customs and less. When I don't post even one day, Instagram, where's today? I even post late because people are on Instagram. You said you post every day, man. I'm like, oh, I didn't go shoot, I didn't do anything, and then I go out, try and shoot and bring you something. That's just the love and the relationship we have. So yeah, guys, today I'm going to meet Katra, Bofer, Squitch, Squatch, Spatch. Yeah, and we're going to upgrade sound inside Tswetsos. So we're not gonna do a lot. What we're gonna do is to just build a super wood box, a bigger box, because you saw the box I had is just, yeah. So we're just gonna build a bigger super wood box and hear how it plays, and if it plays good, we've won. So yeah, guys, join me as I go meet the gents and we start working on Tswetsos. You, boy, and you, my boy, gonna get good sound. Ne? Oh, son. How are you walking? Why are you running? What? Mudife, don't run! Mudife! Mudife! Don't run! Okay, Mr. FVC. Let both. Navir. Switch squad spatch. We're getting Tswetsos.
Nah, so
yeah, we're removing this funny boxes. The taponyana juwe. Kona ke jamu. Taponyana jege moya. You know you wish mo patame. So guys, what we're gonna do is to remove this box. Yeah. Just gonna put this kicker comp there. Madaga gisho. We did three.
you go agapha.
Realistic. Transcope is cover hole. So bigger box with super wood.
Bigger box with a nice.
Because it's what Spatch says.
Ellen Kim Chad.
Oh, it really lasts.
4, 5.
What do you feel la mother? Hey.
5.
Mam takin na kami nako.
Naka 4 channels wala ukhono bridge channel 3 and 4 matanya.
Speaker sen jiso pesa sen jiso pera.
Aga bridge channel 4 3 and 4 remove matanya.
Kuno choice please.
Au kiraga or sabi we naka 4 channel ina fa.
Wewe pela pesa.
Kwa MP. Eh?
Antwinche ba. Nje rila na.
Ona ke la dithokwa.
Mona be re rala ka kwa ka. Ape be ke no bona khibulele. Ape ja rala.
Ba rila monna ba.
Wanda badale baba. O so grele khibul na.
Anjastakile. Usho njastakile.
Ha o le no rila le mkhono no.
Ile sala.
A tsi buru dia yang gamma.
Da sa ganyela gona tap accelerator ga ntšiso. Ke mo gola.
Wanyana ke shona mbile bona o pe be thelela. Ka re yo bulela ka mo.
A nyelo no ya gata.
Ni marinate.
Re bofu mona wa di subject ka di ra so.
Original intro
Age. Grele 300 RMS. Fagile le polifile ka mara box ya mo. Watho wela fa sheshe.
Vaya chola sabuya.
Thola le ne la. Side ka. Dol ya ga te
Madagma days.
ya dol.
Already to better mfana. Guys, it was Monata on the cam. Eh? Already to tsamaya mat. Eh? Is it gonna be okay?
Yeah.
Eh? Reanjal.
Subwoofer out of the old box into the new one. Yeah, the Tswetsos brought both. But these Zazaza in the Tswetsos. Kurembra. I'm ready to find.
No, sandra ka phuthe bhuthi ya.
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. No.
Hanen fetoro a on tele tsona di self tap ke la papa.
Nera. Self tap.
Ga re shela re iphumulenyana le yona sape tloga bosetla. Paraguay.
Yeah, that kuja na 2 minutes. Eh. Who's that one? Yeah, no, she be shit problem. Oh, she judge. She judge it. And then regular case. No, she mara she.
Tswetswana the Tswetsos.
So yeah, guys, for the good dynamic of the subwoofer, we made it to face forward. So when you look from the side, you're not gonna see anything. So yeah, the only thing that's gonna be left now is to play music. Is to play music for you, but I can't play now because we are at someone's house and it's not gonna be fair making noise for them. Not that they complain, but I'm just being considerate before I even begin. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is the sound check. I said I'm gonna do for you. Now I'm at home. I can meet how I like. Ay. Yona shawa ngwana mavesta tsa fela ba go tlapa ke tlhape shit, yeah, two, yeah, one, one. Yeah, one, Gogo is complaining, guys. You see, Gogo is saying you must not play loud. Look. Ask Gogo what is she saying. Go ask Gogo. Is Gogo, what are you saying?
What are you saying?
Okay, yeah, guys, that was just the sound check. Ring. Let's go. The sound is finished now.